which is that we've got to learn to campaign as a movement and govern as a movement. And if we want to get back into government, we're going to have to learn from the best of what Labour parties are doing around the country, and also the best of what community organisers are doing.
Today represents a historic moment. It's a historic moment when two traditions of political action, that of labour organising and community organising, can reconnect.
I think taking it back to grassroots, listening to people is what's important. Connecting the leadership with the community and the membership.
But this is about a wave, or a movement of change that is about more than electing one leader, and it's about more than one party. It's actually about every community in the country.
We see the Labour Party as a progressive force in politics, but we're really interested in terms of how it reconnects. How does it bring people in? People have come to see David's leadership, but importantly, how can that leadership be broader? How can it be deeper? How can we involve people? And how can we find new leaders?
That I'm raising the money so that people like Jonathan and Sophie can train people like you to become one of 1,000 community organisers that are produced by this campaign. So win or lose, there'll be 1,000 more community organisers at the end of this campaign rather than at the beginning. And that's the sort of commitment that I think we need to see in the Labour Party, because it's about the long term as well as the short term. Every time I felt whether or not politics could make a difference, every time I've wondered whether or not we're doomed to live in a conservative country, every time I've thought, can people really get together to change things, the Labour Party's inspired me. And that's what this movement for change is about. In or out of power, we're about making change. And the fact that this is a Labour Party which has power locally, in London 8 councils we won, across the country 400 more councillors. If you want to write the policy of the next Labour government, the way to do it is to get involved with your local party and get involved with your local council and make the change.
Very inspiring. I'm someone who's very committed to organising at a local level, and this really reinvigorated my thirst for it. And I'm backing David. Brilliant.